Hey, this is Ira, and I have the WÜSTHOF Aeon Santoku knife. WÜSTHOF Aeon. Time is the new luxury. WÜSTHOF Aeon brings form and function together in perfect harmony. The blades are coated with DLC, diamond-like coating, resulting in durability that is as unparalleled as it is beautiful. The exquisite handles are crafted from millennia-old bog-oak, each with its own certificate of authenticity. WÜSTHOF Aeon, a true masterpiece, manufactured entirely in Solingen, Germany. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing of my new knife purchase, the WÜSTHOF Aeon knife. This is a professional chef's knife with a little bit of a story. I definitely like things that have a story with them, and so I'm going to kind of get right to the unboxing. So what's interesting about this knife is that it is a Santoku knife blade with a little bit of a different edge to it. Has a little bit more curvature, which is more reminiscent of Japanese style blades. And the handle of this knife also is made out of aged bog oak wood. The Aeon knife blade is coming in this cardboard box that is recycled materials, which was a really nice touch that WÜSTHOF was able to do with this limited edition production run. One of 1,500 knife blades. We can see that this is the Santoku knife, the 7-inch blade. So, without further ado, little plastic bit slides right out, and voila! Awesome. Oh yeah. And so here we have the certificate of authenticity on there. One of 950 knives produced, 950 of over 1,000 produced. Huh, that's interesting. I thought there were 1,500 of these produced. Anyway, we have this authenticity. It looks like we're also coming with the promised cleaning cloth for taking care of your blade. Open that up in a moment. But let's get to the meat here. This is the Santoku knife blade in its box. Little protector on the knife tip. And you can really see that little curvature to that Santoku knife blade and the aged bog oak wood handle and bolster. So, I've been really enjoying the WÜSTHOF knife set that I have, the classic set. I was able to get that at a very reasonable discount. Oh, a magnet in the box. Really cool. So, it's got a nice finish to it. It's hollow ground, so it'll be really sharp and hold its edge. And it's noticeably thinner than other chef's knives and other WÜSTHOF knives that I have owned. This is really thin and lightweight. The handle's actually very comfortable feel to it with the bolster back in here. And it's got that classic forged WÜSTHOF edge to it. So, really looking forward to actually using this. I debated whether or not I actually wanted to use this knife or not because of just the story and how aged the oak is, and it's over 3,000 years old. But you know, this is a knife that is really meant to be used and cut with. I just also unboxed here the cleaning cloth. Looks like a nice little microfiber square. Comes with the WÜSTHOF logo on it. Nice little touch there. Very cool. So we'll do one little test. Have a bill. Comes pretty factory sharp. So the WÜSTHOF Aeon Santoku knife blade.